Here's the scenario. You're having a difficult time with a student or a few students in your classroom, and somebody walks in to give you a hand. And maybe it's a colleague, maybe it's an itinerant professional, whomever walks in, maybe it's someone like me, and walks in to kind of give you a hand. And the first thing they say to you is, just ignore it. Don't you hate that? So many people always ask me that question. They say, Polly, should we just ignore that? How long do I ignore it? Which one do I ignore? Which one shouldn't I ignore? Let's take the word ignore right out of our vocabulary right now. Because basically, when you don't over-respond or even respond to a behavior because you don't want to reinforce it or make a big deal out of it, you're not ignoring it. You're managing it. Management, that's a management. When it's a technique that says, I'm going to give the kid 2 words. I'm going to put a sticky note on their desk to remind them that they shouldn't be talking right now. I'm going to temporarily just turn my back and walk someplace else and deal with other kids because I don't want to feed into that. You're not ignoring it. When we say the word ignore, it always makes us feel like we're not competent. And of course you are. What you're doing is managing it. Any response, even if it's no response at all. And I got to tell you, sometimes I do say that to people. I say sometimes the best response is no response at all. And that's not ignoring a situation. When you need to get to the situation and uncover why it's happening, try some other techniques, you'll get there. But at the moment, you got to manage it. And manage it sometimes means not doing anything right then. But it's not ignoring it. You can do better than that because you know how to manage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.